My dearest children, as the sun sets on our lives, we find ourselves reaching out to you with a heavy heart, burdened by the limitations of age and health that now surround us. I write this letter with your mother not to evoke sympathy, but to implore your understanding and patience during this trying phase of our lives. With each passing day, our hearing grows faint, and our once sharp eyes now struggle to recognize the faces we once knew so well. The strength we once possessed has waned, and frequent illnesses now confines of our beds. We yearn for the energy of our youth, but are humbled by the reality of our frailty. Our lives have been filled with moments of joy and hardship, and you, our beloved children, have been the greatest source of our pride and happiness. We watched you grow, and now it is your turn to watch over us. As the roles reverse, we seek solace in knowing that we raised you to be kind, compassionate, and understanding. In these twilight years, we cherish the memories of the time we spent together, the laughter we shared, and the love that bound us as a family. But now we ask for your patience and support as we navigate the challenges that come with age. Know that it pains us to see you worry and care for us, but we are grateful for your presence and concern. Your love has been our guiding light, and it continues to bring warmth to our hearts during these difficult times. As we face the uncertainties that come with aging, we implore you to remember the lessons we taught you in your youth, the value of empathy, the importance of patience, and the strength that comes from standing together as a family. Please understand that our needs increase, and our abilities may diminish, but we remain the same parents who nurtured and love you unconditionally. Our time together may be limited, but the love we share knows no bounds. Be patient with us, as you once were with your own children. Embrace the moments we have left and let our love be a source of comfort for both you and us. We have faith in your strength and resilience as you help us through this chapter of life. With all our love, your old parents.